Now, generally, you want to start with a blank page and use the tool that you will probably use the most as a shortcut around it. First thing, I will put the hue, the color adjuster at the top, just like in another popular app for drawing in iPad. Hue, saturation, and brightness, and the color picker also here. So you can adjust it whatever you want without touching this button. Or if you want to pick the color from the palette, it is possible as well. And for the other stuff, for the brush adjuster, I usually have the brush size and the brush load. I don't really use brush opacity adjuster, but I will keep it in the right just in case. And I will put eyedropper in here in the left so I can access it easily with my left hand. Actually, I wanted to put it in the middle. There we go. And then I will have the rest of the tools on the right. There's clear, alpha lock, erase, dry, cut and paste. Slow draw is also pretty useful. Flood fill as well. And I would want to have symmetry in here, and the rest of it I will just keep it in here. And for the brushes, you also want to keep the shortcut of the brush that you use every day, that you use the most. For me, I would want to have oil brush, flat, lumpy, tube. I don't like this thing. Uh, Calligraphy, and I would also want to have marker pen round, digital pen, palette knife rough, gouache, check oil, and I think that's it for me. Oh, marker. I also like marker. So basically, you can adjust it whatever you want, just drag and drop it in here. Or if you want, if it makes it easier for you, you can also put it up here. But I just like to keep everything in category. The brushes are down here, the brush adjuster in here, opacity in here, the rest of the tools on my right, and the colors up here. And that's it.